video, you'll learn more about my school and my STEM project. I am currently an 8th grader at Harmony School of Science High Sugarland. Harmony is a STEM school, which means it focuses primarily on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Now I'll tell you the steps I used to create my seasonal card. First, I opened Adobe Illustrator and chose a new document with the dimensions 800 by 600. Next, I used the rectangle tool to create a rectangle that was 800 by 600. After that, I used the pen tool to create the sky. Then I used the pen tool to create the sun. I also used the gradient tool as the fill color for the sun. After that, I created the body of the school bus, which consists of two parts. I used the pen tool for the front of the bus and the rectangle tool for the back of the bus. Next, I created the characteristics of a school bus. The rounded rectangle tool was used to create the door, windows, and the black stripe. The tires were created using the ellipse tool. This is how the finished school bus should look like. To create this text, first I used the pen tool to draw the path in which the text will lie on. Then, I used the type tool to insert the text. I used the font Monotype Cursiva, and the size of the font for Harmony Public Schools is 36 points, and the size for Welcome Back is 72 points. The text was created using the type tool. The font here is also a Monotype Cursiva. For the first line, the size of the font I used was 48 points, and for the rest of the lines I used 36 points. Then I made these boxes using the rounded rectangle tool. After that, I created two triangles using the polygon tool. Next, I used the rectangle tool to create two rectangles that had the same width but different lengths. After that, I used the rounded rectangle tool to create the eraser and the ferrule, or the metal band that holds the eraser. The gradient tool was also used as the fill color of the ferrule. This is how the finished pencil should look like. After combining all of my previous steps, here is my final seasonal card. Design principles include balance, emphasis, unity, variety, proportion, rhythm, movement, pattern, and repetition. I applied design principles in order to visually enhance and better organize my seasonal card. Balance is the equal visual weight throughout a design. The top half and the bottom half of the seasonal card are well balanced. Emphasis is the area in a design that captures the viewer's attention. The emphasis of the seasonal card is the word amazing. It stands out because it is a different color. Unity is a sense of completeness among all of the parts. The elements applied to the seasonal card fit well together, creating a sense of unity and harmony. Variety is the usage of numerous elements in design. There is a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors used. Proportion is when all of the parts relate well with one another. There is correct proportion between the school bus and the landscape, but the text and the pencil are exaggerated. Rhythm is when multiple elements of design are repeatedly used. The hill in the landscape and the words "Welcome Back" are at the same angles, causing rhythm. Movement is the pathway the viewer's eye takes through the design. There is movement from the school bus to the red and blue text. A pattern is an object that is repeated throughout a design. The boxes under a new school year is here, create a pattern. Repetition is used with pattern to make a design seem active. There is repetition where the boxes and text are being repeated.